What's up, world? It's your boy here, Nashawn Frost from One Destiny Media, also One Destiny Sound. How's everyone doing out there? If it's your first time tuning in, welcome to the channel. And if you're tuning back in, what you do? Take so long for tuning back in. I wait for no one. One. Anyway, the door is always welcome, and I wanna hope, or at least wish everyone a happy holidays. It's Thanksgiving week here in the States, so if you're having your family over or you're gonna be traveling, I wanna wish you a happy Thanksgiving wherever you are. And we're gonna get into the stories today because obviously you can see I'm here in the dealership because everybody seems to be copping new whips here and there. I guess it's the holiday season. It's only right, let me go see what I see. So I'm in the Range Rover's dealership trying to browse. I'm a window shopper, sorry y'all. I ain't get to the top yet, but didn't stop anyone else from being able to achieve their long life dreams of copping a nice new whip or a new toy. And that brings us to the first story. Shenseeas copped a brand new Lambo truck. She just got the 2022 Urus. Beautiful machine, beautiful car, well deserved. 250,000 price tag on it, so it costs a pretty penny. It's pretty common, so you should have seen it on the road by now, so it's not uncommon, but it is still a beautiful car when you do see it. And she says it's been a long time coming. She's always dreamt of owning a Lamborghini, and now that her career has reached the level of and now that her career has reached the level that it has reached, she said the perfect time to treat ourselves to a new toy. I'm gonna post a quick clip with which she posted to her Instagram of her leaving the dealer lot. So yeah, congratulations to Shenseeas. I'm happy for you that you got to accomplish one of your many dreams, at least. You got that off your bucket list. And that brings us to another new car story. Ishawna and Skatta Burrell. It's like Mr. Burrell was down in South Florida at the Mercedes-Benz dealership, and he posted to his gram a brand new S-Class, and it looks like it's courtesy of Ishawna. The story goes courtesy of urbanislands.com. I'm going to leave a link in the description. You can see the full article there. Since officially becoming Ishawna's manager, her career has blossomed, and therefore rewarding the down sound record producer with a brand new Mercedes 2022 S-Class. And those aren't a cheap vehicle, those are pretty expensive himself. Really nice. See his picture here, he got to post up to his gram. I'm gonna leave his handle so you can follow him, or you can go check his page out. Leave some love, right? So looks like Christmas is starting off in the gift-giving spirit, and I like it. Looks like we got to circle the block back on Shenseeas because she's still in the news. She's making headlines with another copyright infringement lawsuit. This, the first being the one from earlier this year. You know, that one was filed for $10 million US. That was over the song Lick. This time, this one is in for price is high. This one is priced at $450,000. The lawsuit is set for, and it's over the foreplay music video. As of this recording, they said they take it down off for YouTube because of the artist that says her imagery, I want to quote her correctly, unique line of sensual art imagery was used without her consent. About 40 seconds of her imagery used in the Shenseeas foreplay music video, to which they say she's been contesting it from 2019, trying to get this story corrected and resolved, to which it's still pending. So, according to the court documents obtained by Dancehall Mags, Stephanie Sarley, who is the artist, is seeking $150,000 for each alleged infringement on 3 of her works, plus attorney fees, interest, and costs. The lawsuit was filed on October 21st, 2022 in United States District Court, Central District of California, Western Division. And yeah, so they're alleging that Shenseeas, original foreplay video, which has been removed from YouTube, infringed on her unique line of sensual fruit imagery. The complaint noted that the original foreplay video had incorporated nearly 40 seconds of footage from the original works, sometimes altered slightly in one tone or hue. It concluded a collection of side-by-side comparisons of screenshots from the original foreplay video and images of Sarli's original works into exhibits. So I'm posting up the samples of the music video plus the original pictures, and leave in the comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think this is a blatant copyright infringement and that she has an easy lawsuit to win, or this is a reach? I don't know, but let's wait in the coming months and we'll find out what the details are. So over the past weekend as well, it was pretty exciting overseas in the UK because dancehall artists invaded London, and we're gonna start off with dancehall artist Jada Kingdom. She's first up. She invaded London and she performed for her fans. We got a couple clips we're gonna show you right quick. It looks like the fans were longing to see Jada Kingdom in person, so they definitely looked like it was a sold out event, and I'm glad she was able to spread her wings and get to cross the waters and give her fans an in-life performance. It's definitely dope. We want some more of that. We want some more of our artists that travel to different countries. We know London is a big market, but it's a good look. Take a look and see some of the clips.
Yeah man, vibes.
And I will tell you follow me because we never said that. He tell me that I'm treating low, cause from Jesus.
Yes, so came to Jada Kingdom, Twinkle, she turn up in London. Alright, I see you. And she wasn't alone. Ding Dong as well was out there in Birmingham, and he posted some clips to his Instagram page. We're gonna leave his handle as well in the description, so you can follow the ding, you know, the thing up, and check out the crowd. I'm telling you, it was looked like it was a sold out venue. They all had the energy. Phones was out, the place did ram. So yeah, Ding Dong performed well to expectations, as full of energy. Had the crowd on stage, well, brought up some of the crowd on stage, had them dancing, everybody had fun. You can take a look into the clips now. Ding Dong, again in Birmingham, got to cross the water. I don't know how long he's gonna spend out there. I hope he gets to shoot a music video, so hopefully we get some new Ding Dong visuals while he's out there. And I'm looking forward to that as well. He might as well utilize the time and the visuals. It's gonna be great. So, And into more stories, reggae icon Beres Hammond is set to release a brand new single as of this recording on November 25th called I Need Your Love. So we're going to look forward to that. It's supposed to be on all streaming platforms. We can't wait for that one to come out because, you know, Mr. Beres Hammond always deliver classic and timeless records. So we can definitely look forward to that. And I'm glad that he's still out there dropping new hits. And the next story that we're going to come across is that dancehall artist Teejay was named ambassador for the youths for. This one is brought to us by Urban Islands again, Debbie Setram. Pardon me if I misstate your name. No disrespect. The link to the full article in the description once again. Dancehall artist Teejay volunteering his time and efforts to a private non-profit organization as an ambassador that will work with inner city youth. On Friday, the nonprofit shared news about the collaboration, noting that Teejay's life experience and his impact as an artist will come together to be a powerful tool to help young people. His music, which has remained positive and uplifting, has now opened a new door for volunteerism and philanthropy. According to Caribbean charity and nonprofit Youth for Excellence, the artist was chosen because of his appeal to young people and his ability to affect change. Teejay noted in a YFE release, love to see say at the youth them where I run something like this. Me glad say me can give back in a one way where makes sense. God bring me this far, enough of me go through. May I grow and improve every single day. I want the youth them to catch me positive message, Teejay said. Which is great. I definitely I'm proud to say that Teejay deserves that, and it's a good look. The Youth for Excellence is led by 24-year-old Janine Shepherd. The organization works with inner city youth sitting their exit examinations in grades 4 to 6, and while headquarters in Jamaica, it has chapters in Barbados, Trinidad and Tobago, Guyana, Grenada, Antigua and Barbuda, St. Vincent's and the Grenadines, and the USA, where it serves underprivileged children and their families. So they are definitely putting the work in the streets, and it shows. We're proud of that. So big up Janine Shepherd and the whole team. Youths for Excellence. That's a great look. Let me know what you think about that in the comments as well. Love to hear how y'all feel about DJs and the artists and giving back to the community in a positive way. And the next topic is that they released the top stream artists in Jamaica for 2022. This is the most streams according to Digital Data Center. They release, and who no think? I tell you who we think. I tell you who it is. The #1 streaming artist in Jamaica for 2022 happens to be none other than Skeng. Skeng himself is the most streamed artist in Jamaica according to the Certified Data Center. But he was not to be left out with other artists such as Massacre, Squash, Chronic Law, Craft God, Alkaline, A Millie, Biker, Valiant, Intense. And this is just according to this list released to the Certified Data Center. Everyone puts out their own list. You know, Spotify has their own list. YouTube, like last year, YouTube still crowned Cartel the #1 dancehall stream artist in Jamaica was Cartel. So big up everybody that's on this list. That's all that's showing that the work is getting recognized. So big up everybody that's getting streamed. The fans are definitely going out for your music. All you gotta do is put it out there. We're moving on to more topics. Let's keep it moving, keep it pushing, because I got a couple test drives I need to go do in a minute. I think I want to test drive that white one in the corner. Let's see. So we're gonna go into the brand new popular dancehall artist Valiant, and he's been facing some criticism for his new single DUNCE CHEQUE. He responded to such criticism in the latest interview that was released on urbanislands.com. Again, link in the description. description for the full article. And it's saying that the rising DJ Valiant, however, says he's not fazed by the remarks and shares his hope of becoming a mainstream artist, as he explains that his song is not promoting rampant illiteracy. This week, Minister with Responsibility for Information, Robert Nestor Morgan, singled out Valiant's lyrics to the song DUNCE CHEQUE, noting that artists were now glorifying illiteracy and lack of ambition. And if you heard the now viral audio clip, let me just read a short clip of what was said. I heard my son playing a YouTube video, and he wasn't playing it because he looked for it. He was just on his tablet, and I heard bounce check in an account and make me skull upset. No, dance yet. Back at the class, we not the subject. And I wonder, when did dance become fashionable? Mr. Morgan said in the video. The artist said he had seen the reactions to his songs, but does not believe it was conveying the wrong message. No, kids won't think that way of it. The kids have been taking it for a joke and know how to interpret it so far based on the feedback he got. So there he says he's not picking up any dance. It's just a slang, and it's take it as a joke thing. So what do you think? Tell me in the comments what you feel. Do you think Valiant take me for simple time and we know what exactly he's saying? Or do you want to know it's just a fun song and having fun with the term dance, the dance talk, or dance check? So I'm looking forward to reading and responding and corresponding back with y'all in the comment section. Let me know what you think. I'm going to close out this vlog now. I hope y'all had a good week. Again, happy holidays. Enjoy your families. And I'll see you again next time. Get one of these keys. I'll see y'all later. Peace. Do the YouTube things. Like, subscribe.